na breakfast tayo guys. Ito yung yung kamote. Nabili ko kahapon sa sa side of the road. These are only 30 pesos per kilo. Ayan. And yung sabong mahal is 45 ata. 45 pesos per kilo. Ayan. Pero mura pa rin yun. Let's eat breakfast. Saturday breakfast. Okay guys, good morning. So for the luto ang person, I am going to cook mussel or green shell. We call it in Ilo. Ayan guys, I bought 2 kilos yesterday because the girls helped me eat this. Although Jen don't eat this kasi off naman siya. Jen is off today, Saturday. Ayan lang guys. So this mussel came from Negros. I'd like to, I like to ask usually when I buy whatever vegetables, produce, or fish, I usually ask the seller, where is it coming from? Where does it come from? Just curious, ayan. So, ayan guys, let's cook. And I have olive oil in my frying pan. I'm using frying pan. I don't have a big pot. Kaya, here's the ingredients that I will use. I got ginger, I got onions, I got tanglad, lemongrass, kunting garlic, and tomatoes. Let's see what's Lola doing. Hey, what you doing? Yan, ang hirap magluto at mag-video. Ayan. Just actually pretty much everything in there. Yeah, cooking blood. So those ingredients first and then halo-halo. Actually, I think I'll just use my electric pot. Let's do that. And guys, I have this. Let's see it. I bought this last 2019, the first time we used it. And the seal. Taklog lang with our very organic taklog. Ready ko na gawin natin. Mussel. Ang tawag dito ako. Pangulong sila kayo. Ang dami. sa sarili niyang tubig. Water. So I did not put salt. We will see later. I put a little salt from the tomato earlier. Kasi ayan na. Tutukin siya sa plate. So really, let's try it. Pag bumuka na yun guys, ready na kainin. Let's see. Sarap. Guys, I got all my vegetables. Not really all vegetables. I'm going back for fish. Ayan guys. After we did the paninda, we bought puto. Ano na? Puto bingka? Kasi the golden dragon. I always want one more. Okay. Okay, we just came back from the wet market and look at all this produce I got. I don't have meat. All vegetables today, Daddy. That we bought. Ayan guys, let's do the haul, market haul. This is from yesterday. I bought 2 kilos of this, $50 pesos. So like 1 box, 1 box. Ayan guys, kamote, ang sarap-sarap. Kahapon yan, hindi siya kasama today. But ito yung napamili natin today. Let's see what we got in here. Ayan guys, let's go. The whole, some of these vegetables I know, I remember the price, but some I don't. Like this, I don't know how much this is. I guess about $1. Calamansi. And I got this saba for I don't know 2 kilos. Yeah, I guess 2 kilos 45. So this is about 80 maybe. Your what? And I know this is starfish na and this is 10 pesos each. I got 2. And I have very organic ano tawag dyan? Ampalaya bitter gourd. I know it's organic because there are some bag of home. And no insecticides, no pesticides because there are some like holes. Ayan. Na-pest. Pero it's still good. Ayan, so this is 20 pesos. Okay, next. And this one whole bunch. Oh, not just one whole bunch, but this. Yeah. And this. One vendor I got, this is 800 something. So I got 2 cabbage, I got 2 heads. I got 2 heads of broccoli. I got 3 carrots, shallots, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. Ayan, one vendor. And I got more. And I got 2 watermelons. Ayan, ito yung katumbal na sinasabi ko na nabili ko. Diba? Lagay ko yun sa freezer guys para fresh na fresh. Pati yung aking ano tawag dito? That one.